In partnership with a prestigious organization like Miss Universe Philippines, we will have a powerful platform, no, to showcase what the church NGO like Caritas Manila is spreading the compassion of God towards those who are less in life, no? And this platform of Miss Universe can be an opportunity in order to make people aware and make people conscious, no, of the plight of the poor, and in their own small way reach out to help the poor help themselves.
The overwhelming feeling that I have na nandito ako ngayon is masaya ako kasi nakikita niyo naman po ang raming mga kabataan ngayon ang kumakain ng mga foods po from Wendy's. And natutuwa po ako kasi isa sa mga hilig ko is to offer a hand para po masuportahan ng mga kabataan kasi mahal na mahal ko po talagang mag-serve sa mga bata. And yun po yung pinakamasaya nangyari sa akin sa araw na to.
I'm actually very happy na nakita ko yung mga bata dito and nakasalumuha namin sila. It's so heartwarming to be with the kids and to see them all smiling with the food. And we just want to thank everyone who's been part of this, especially our sponsors. So right now, I feel so grateful and so overwhelmed with all the support that Caritas Manila has been giving to the poor for about 70 plus years now. And I'm really thankful that I'm here today contributing to that advocacy.
It's my first time doing a feeding program, especially with these children. And I'm just very, very happy with the help of Caritas Manila and of course the Miss Universe Philippines organization for this feeding program. And I hope that we can still continue doing this.
Service and compassion has already been ingrained in me, and this has really cemented the fact that we humans are here to help each other and to move each other forward to a better future. It taught me that the simple act of giving and serving people, especially those who needs us, really is very fulfilling.
Tunan ko po na mas magandang tumulong kaysa ikaw yung nakaupo ka lang na wala kang ginagawa. Kasi yung heart ko ngayon full of gratitude, full of happiness na nakikita ko sa mga kabataan, yung smile na talagang genuine, na talagang masaya sila kasi nandito ang Miss Universe, ang Mr. PH Worldwide na handang tumulong para sa kanila.
Right now, it's really the smiles of the kids, their innocence. Makikita mo sa mga mata nila na sobrang happy sila just by seeing us here, and that alone, that's so overwhelming in a good way.
I am really touched for all the people who are involved in this, and I hope that we can continue doing this in the future. Yung kausap ko yung isang bata kanina, sabi niya si Nadine, ang pangalan niya Nadine, sabi niya sa akin, ate, idol na idol po kita. Sabi ko, bakit? Ang daming iba, bakit ako? Sabi niya sa akin, nakita ko na po kasi tumulong ka sa mga bata before. And natutuwa po kasi yung pagtulong ko sa Isabela, umabot din po pala dito sa Manila. And yun po yung pinakamasayang nangyari din, pinakamasayang memory ko dito sa Tondo, Manila.
The simple acts, even our kindness means a lot to other people. Being generous, the simple things that we can give to others can leave a big impact to them. So sana gawin pa natin siya ng mas marami at mabuti.
I realized that we should always be grateful in everything that we have right now because not all of us can experience what we have, and we should always share our blessings, especially to the children.
I realized that life is not easy. I mean, I've already realized that before, but it's really cemented the fact right now because I'm so blessed to be in this competition and so blessed to be helping all these people right here.
Isa po sa pinaka-realization ko sa araw na to sobrang blessed na pala ako sa buhay na meron ako because I really came from a very humble family, and from that moment, na-realize ko na blessed pa rin ako kasi nakakakain ako ng 3 beses sa isang araw. Kaya sa lahat po ng gustong tumulong sa mga bata rito sa Tondo, Manila, sana piliin niyo po silang tulungan, piliin niyo pong pumunta dito, bumisita dito kasi marami pong nangangailangan ng tulong.